Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In my video yesterday, I talked about a price push toward 106 to 108,000. But right now, it looks like Bitcoin needs more time to consolidate before that move can happen. The price actions swept the long liquidation leverage zone, sitting at 104.4 to 104.8 thousand. I marked that range yesterday as a short-term magnet before a possible rip to 106.7 or even 107.2 thousand. So what's the move now? Let's check the 3-day liquidation heat map. We see a hot zone of long liquidation leverage around 103.5 thousand. On the other side, short liquidation pressure builds up around 106.9. Drawing these levels into the chart, the long liquidation pocket sits just below the double bottom neckline. If this area gets cleared, we risk losing the 103.4 support level. That would not be good. I really doubt we break down that far, but it's possible we are entering the infamous summer slump. At the same time, the price sits right now at around 105,000, which could be the local bottom. If we find strength here and break the dotted yellow horizontal at 105.7, there is a high chance we make another attempt at 106.5. That would be the third test of that resistance. And you know what they say, third time's the charm. Breaking that level could lead us into the upper channel that stretches all the way to 109.5 thousand. I'm still bullish and continue to hold all my long trades in this range. I will continue updating you daily, and don't forget to scan the links in the pinned comment for bonuses and community invites. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.